Hey guys, I'm the Happy Cultivator, and I'd like to welcome you to a new series on turning my front yard into a semi-permaculture produce stand for me and my family. So we're standing out here in the front yard of the Urban Garden. That's right, my name is Urban Gardener. I am the Happy Cultivator, and this is my front yard here in Southern California near the Los Angeles International Airport. I am Zone 10B. Today is February 1st, and here in Zone 10B, you really got to get your cold-loving vegetables out quick, or else they'll bolt on you and you won't get anything. I've already started a little bit on turning this into a semi-permaculture. I'll take you guys on a short tour here, and then as you see at my feet, I have some nice fresh lettuce starts to put in. So let's start the tour. Okay, we'll start the tour here at my berry patch. Like I said, I've already started some of the permaculture aspect of this garden. And yes, I do have some dandelions. I can pull these out quite simply because I am using the Back to Eden style. I have my own take on Back to Eden. However, I've been starting mulching this with the wood chips, and as you see, weeds come out very easy. I don't necessarily pull out my dandelions right away for two reasons. One is they have a really nice taproot on them that goes down and loosens up the soil. And two, I have a couple of tortoises that actually like to eat dandelion. They like the leaves and the flowers. So it's just another part of the permaculture aspect here. Here I have some strawberries. I have two different kinds. I have All-Star and Sequoia. Back here is my thornless blackberries. And right next to those, I have my blueberries. And as you can see, it's the time of year where the blueberries start to flower. And I do have a couple of strawberry plants mixed in here because this is basically the berry stand within my produce patch. I got lots of freesia here. Freesia is a beautiful smelling plant. Love to have it in the garden. I have some pomegranate. The pomegranate's been trimmed back. It is starting to come back for the season. And hopefully we'll get some nice pomegranates. I will be fertilizing that, as a matter of fact, today. Here I have planted in some cauliflower along with some direct sown greens. This was a mesclun mix that I had. And I just went ahead and direct sowed it. Heavy seeds. This is a brand new bed. Brand new no-till bed I had just started. So, I'm just establishing it, getting worms growing, getting some quick greens. And what I will do is, some of the stuff looks really good, like some of this arugula here. And what I will do is plant up some of this area with some nice fresh starts right here of some nice gourmet lettuce mix. I do have another thornless blackberry bush here mixed in with some dragon fruit. It's not ideal conditions for the dragon fruit right now. However, when I grow some taller stuff up, it will help shade the dragon fruit, and then it will help it come along. I plan on planting some corn right here, so we'll have that video coming up. Then over here, I've left some more dandelion. I will pick some of it up, but it's okay for now. And then here what I have is some more cauliflower mixed in with some Brussels sprouts. I am one of those people that happens to really enjoy Brussels sprouts, so I have some Brussels sprouts growing here with some cauliflower. We have part of the permaculture aspect again is we have an avocado tree here that was planted from seed. I actually planted that from seed about 5 years ago. It's got a sister in the backyard that's enormous and puts out lovely avocados. This one was stunted by a peach tree that we have since removed, and now it's really starting to come into its own. So hopefully you guys will see that come back and become just a lovely lush tree. Over here I have a lemon tree that was actually given to me by my neighbor. He had no room for it. It's actually planted from seed, so who knows how it'll turn out. As we know, most trees that we buy at your local big box store are grafted trees, so they know exactly what the flavor profile is. But what's the fun of that? I kind of like doing things from seed the way nature, nature is always right. That is true. Here, this chirimoya tree has been in a pot for about, 10 years to be honest with you. Very long time. That's an exaggeration, probably closer to 7. It's kind of been dwarfed and keeping it alive because I never knew where to put it. I finally have found a place for this tree. Hopefully she'll come back and do her thing. She still looks, okay, so we'll see what happens. I put some strawberries around her just to keep her company. And then this bed will get planted up with some more things. I'm not sure what I'm going to plant here. However, what I do know is what I'm going to be planting on this lawn. So that's what's exciting for this series for all of you is, as you can see, this is a grass lawn. And what I'm going to do through this series is transform this grass lawn into working no-till living organics vegetable beds. What we'll do is we will start with this cardboard. I know some of you are probably wondering, why the cardboard, Mr. Gardener? Well, the cardboard is to start your no-till living organics beds. So please join me on this wonderful, happy ride through turning my front yard into a semi-permaculture, living no-till produce stand. With that I say, guys, remember to always keep happy, stay uplifted, guys, and urban garden.